Hey there, want to ensure your FreshBooks records perfectly match your actual bank balance? Reconciling accounts is the essential monthly task that catches errors and keeps your finances accurate. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to reconcile. Go to the Accounting or Banking tab and select Reconcile. Choose the account you want to reconcile and enter the statement end date and ending balance from your bank statement. FreshBooks will show a list of transactions. Check off each transaction that appears on both your bank statement and in FreshBooks. The goal is to get the difference at the bottom to zero. My crucial pro tip: reconcile every single month without fail. Don't let it pile up. Regular reconciliation makes it easy to spot discrepancies, catch bank errors, or identify missing transactions while everything is still fresh in your mind. That's how you maintain flawless financial records you can trust. What's your biggest reconciliation challenge? Missing transactions or incorrect amounts? Tell me below. For more essential bookkeeping guides, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.